Smoothie lovers understand how rewarding their creations can be when the flavor profile is just right. But how often are we forced to sacrifice the health benefits of our smoothies just so that they taste better? It often comes down to a choice between optimizing the healthy content of our smoothies or indulging in those delicious flavors. Now, there's a way you can have both. Introducing MiraBurst Miracle Berry, the world's only taste-modifying superfruit that tricks the mind into perceiving sour or tart as sweet, without any added sugar or sweetener. MiraBurst is the only taste-modifying berry in the world that offers a naturally enhanced, clean, sweet taste to your sour or tart smoothie. Now you can enjoy sweet tastes without harmful sugars or sweeteners. Simply speaking, it makes a low-sugar lifestyle enjoyable for everyone. But what causes this miraculous taste change? The active ingredient in the pulp of the berry works by activating your taste buds and tricking the mind into perceiving sour or tart taste as sweet. It's great for managing cravings, and over time can actually retrain and recondition your taste buds to get used to less sugar. MiraBurst is completely natural, non-GMO, has no problems with aftertaste, and no potential health issues. As a superfruit, it is rich in antioxidants and other essential nutrients. Since the berry is highly perishable, we've perfected a method of converting it into powder before compressing it into convenient, take-anywhere mini squares. Now you can enjoy MiraBurst on the go without any additives or preservatives. Our mini squares have the exact natural composition as the berry itself, which is available as a frozen berry if you'd prefer. Here's how MiraBurst maximizes the taste of your fruit smoothies or green smoothies with berries. Simply remove MiraBurst from the blister packaging, place it on your tongue, and let it dissolve. It's really that simple. The berry form of MiraBurst can be chewed slowly over the course of about a minute. Just be sure to avoid the seed in the middle. Once you've chewed and swallowed the flesh of the berry, you are ready to enjoy. Now that MiraBurst has coated your tongue, you're ready to enjoy your favorite smoothie, but be warned, you've likely never had one quite like this before. If you're looking for some fresh ideas to make your MiraBurst smoothie extra delicious, add strawberries. Berries of any kind are the perfect way to accentuate the savory sweetness of your MiraBurst creations. MiraBurst is the perfect, guilt-free indulgence for even the most health-conscious smoothie lovers.